University-inĩ ya Nazarene kauntĩ-inĩ ya Kajiado nĩkuo ahũranĩri ana a gĩturwa gĩa seneta kauntĩ-inĩ ĩno maragomanĩte ndereti-inĩ ya kwarĩrĩria cioneki ciao kũrĩ aikari a Kajiado.
I'd be interested to hear from you three specific.
Gatagatĩ ka ahũranĩri atandatũ, ana nĩo marekinyirie ndereti-inĩ ĩno: Moses Ole Sakuda wa Jubilee, Gideon Tomaisi wa Wiper, Samuel Seki wa UDA na Sonia Gita wa Usawa na Haki.
Before you prioritize what you want to do, one has to understand the role.
If I were to give them the chance to become a senator of this county, the mandate of a senator is to bring back.
Kajiado County still faces a lot of injustices. We still have a lot of land injustices.
Ana aya mataririe maundu maria magateithĩrĩria gũkinyanĩria nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra kaunti ya Kajiado nĩ yacangarara mangĩkahotana gĩthurano-inĩ kĩa mweri wa kanana.
I will make sure that I will go out of my way to make sure that sand harvesting in my county is really legislated about, that I offer advisory services, and that I also provide for regulations for the same so that we find value for our resource in Kajiado County.
One of the things that one has to adhere to is an opportunity to bring people together. And as I said, bringing people together, that means having people living at peace. Number two, you find or create an atmosphere. As you become the voice of Kajiado County, you create an atmosphere for all people to be able to work in Kajiado.
We have been having a lot of problems of land issues. As said before, I will represent this county to make sure that any public participation that is necessary to be done must be done.
Sonia Gita wa kĩama kĩa Usawa na Haki arehoka gũthaka kandi ya atumia arĩa augĩte nĩ arataũkwo wega nĩ mathĩna marĩa marahĩtũkĩra makĩria nĩ ũndũ wa gũthutũkanio nĩ ũndũ wa mĩtugo na ũndũire.
Despite of I worked with a lot of my community, I still am at the center of all women in Kajiado. Women in Kajiado, they are the ones who are raising the babies, and the babies that become men today. So that's why I'm relying on women too much.
Judy Pareno ũrĩa ũrahũranĩra gĩturwa gĩa seneta wa Kajiado na tigiti wa ODM na Peter Olenkeri ũrĩa ũrahũranĩra gĩturwa gĩkĩ na tigiti wa kĩama gĩa TSP matinekinyia ndereti-inĩ ĩno. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Jehia.
Let's use the formula we used in sharing